So I want to introduce you to the Ultrastrand Bespoke solution. There are many ways and times in which a bespoke system is better than a custom system or even an in-stock solution. One instance that springs to mind is if you've got alopecia, especially frontal fibrosing alopecia. Now, on this mannequin, we have a system that has been created for a client that has got frontal fibrosing alopecia. Now, I'm just going to explain to you how this has been created. So with frontal fibrosing alopecia, you generally have your hair receding backwards, which means that the section where there is no hair, that is very unlikely that any hair is going to grow in that section. And what would happen is that your hair is just receding backwards. So because of that, you actually cannot connect it in the traditional Ultrastrands way, which is generally by using beads or invisible thread. You have to actually connect it either with double-sided tape or with adhesive. But the beauty about having an Ultrastrand solution for frontal alopecia as opposed to any other solution is that it graduates onto holes. So if you can see there, you can see the front section here is where you would glue and the back section graduates onto holes. What this means is that if you were in a scenario where you couldn't have a piece which was big enough or wide enough and required you to cut your hair or shave your hair, you don't have to do that with Ultrastrands because you can actually graduate to holes. Also, it also allows you to make use of your own natural hair. So rather than hiding your hair underneath the system, you can actually now pull the areas where you've got your own hair through the holes. And that is why I think it is an awesome solution to use. It can come in all different designs because it's customized, created for you. And as you can see, with this particular model, I'm just going to show you on the side, just so you can see. It's actually graduated, so it gives you a very natural curve as well. Once this is installed, it can move in any direction. So if you can see there, just show you so you can have a look. So the front section will be connected using double-sided tape or adhesive, and that will go flush against your scalp, and the back section will be connected using beads. Again, it is a very versatile solution. It is uber light. All Ultrastrand solutions are really light. That is one of the key components of an Ultrastrand solution. The next component about Ultrastrand solution is that it's versatile in that you can comb it in all different directions. You don't have to have a fringe with Ultrastrands. You can literally have any style you want. And the third thing about Ultrastrand is that it looks natural. So the amount of hair that goes in the system is dependent on the amount of hair that you actually want. If you just want extra hair, that's just going to give you that extra bit of volume in the front area. You don't really want too much hair. You can customize Ultrastrands and get a bespoke solution that's very light in density, and that graduates from light density to medium density to even thick density. But if you want to have a lot of hair, you can also go thick as well, and you can go with a larger piece. Just going to show you again what this piece looks like. This is the Ultrastrand Bespoke solution, and you can get this directly from any of your approved salons.